Hello everyone, my name is Jason Wilbrandt. I'm a student here at Wilmington University and my presentation is Networking Essentials in the Troubleshooting and Support Specialist. So what is it about? So the daunting task of supporting a complex network can be both challenging and rewarding. Successful network administrators need to draw on a variety of skills, technologies, and techniques to meet the increasing demands of LANs and internetworks. The types of technologies used in networks demand support personnel who are willing to continue learning long after their formal education is over. Having an excellent grasp of the fundamentals of network hardware and software enables specialists to adapt to the constantly changing computing environment peoples no doubt face. So the problems and its effects. So computers face technical difficulties many times in the world, and this can create major and negative planetary issues that can be detrimental in our virtual nature and daily life. Experience shows that a well-documented network is easier to troubleshoot and support. So with better operating guides, we'll be able to figure out our problems in a more easy way. There are many different approaches to troubleshooting and different situations call for different approaches, so each error message is unique in its own way. Many problem-solving resources are available. You can't imagine the plethora of information out there that can aid us into our solutions. And keep in mind that network support and troubleshooting is an enormous complex topic. And there's, in fact, entire books focused on certain types of topics out there. So information technology professionals help people get back in business with positive solutions. So documenting a network thoroughly offers the following advantages. It makes moves, adds, and changes easier, provides information needed for troubleshooting, offers justification for adding staff or equipment, helps determine compliance with standards, supplies proof that your installation meets hardware or software requirements, reduces training requirements, facilitates security management, and improves compliance with software licensing agreements. Elements of the network that should be documented include a network description, the cable plant, equipment rooms, and telecommunication closets, internetworking devices, servers, and workstations. There are many approaches to network troubleshooting, including trial and error, solve by example, the replacement method, and step-by-step with the OSI model. Different methods are suitable for different circumstances and the technician's level of expertise and experience. Many resources are available to help troubleshooting problems, including an administrator's experience, the internet, and network documentation. Sometimes a combination of these methods can be used to solve problems. Now, one of my major findings I've found is the problem-solving process. So there are 8 steps total. So after getting a report by the user of the problem, number 1, we define the problem and scope. Number 2, gather information. Number 3, consider possible causes. Number 4, devise possible solutions. Number 5 is implement solution. Number 6 is test solution and make a decision if the problem is solved. Number 7 is document the solution. And number 8 is devise preventative measures. So in some situations, you may only use like 4 or 5 steps. Now, several steps in the process might be repeated. So, of course, if the problem is not solved, you'll have to go all the way back up to the flow chart of gather information and start all over again. Each step might also require several sub-steps before moving on to the next step that goes beyond the focus of this presentation. So, our course of action. We need to master networking awareness and telecommunications needs, start information technology focus groups and events, serve the user's need to facilitate problems into solutions, encourage lifelong learning of technology trends and reading daily, and utilize all means of communication to create partnerships around the world. So in conclusion, we need to have network administrators and support personnel in our lives. So thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to try to answer them now.